In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate and customize Asana projects. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where all your projects are listed. Find the project you want to work on, the one you'd like to both collaborate in and customize, and click to open it. This will bring you into the main project workspace. Across the top of your project, you'll see tabs for different views, such as list, board, or calendar, depending on what's already set up. If you want to add another view, go to the far right of these tabs and click the plus icon. A menu will appear where you can choose the new view you'd like to add. This is a great way to let different team members work in the layout that makes the most sense for them, while still looking at the same project data. Within your project, you may see sections that group related tasks together. To rename a section, simply click directly on its name and start typing the new title, then press Enter. If there's a section you no longer need, hover your mouse over the section name, click the More Options icon that appears, and choose Delete Section. When you want to create a new section, scroll down to the bottom of your list and click on the option to Add Section. Tasks work very similarly. To rename a task, just click on its title and type the new name. If you need to remove a task, right-click on it and select Delete Task. To add a new task within a section, go to the bottom of that section's task list and click Add Task, then fill in the task details. You'll also see columns, often called fields, such as status, priority, or due date. To set or change a value, click in a cell under the column and choose or type what you need. If there's a column you don't use, hover over its header, click the small downward arrow, and choose to remove or delete the field. To add a new field, scroll to the end of the columns, click the plus icon, and select the type of field you want. To start collaborating, go to the top right of the project and click Share. A pop-up will appear where you can type the email address of the person you want to invite and choose their access level, project admin, editor, commenter, or viewer. You can also copy the project link from here and send it directly to them. Another collaborative option is assigning tasks. In the Assignee column, click on a cell next to a task and choose the team member responsible. When you click on a task, a detailed panel opens on the right side. Here you can leave comments, ask for updates, and attach files. Any attachments you add will be available to all project members, keeping everything organized in one place. And that's it. You've seen how to customize views, sections, tasks, and fields, and how to invite teammates and work together in your Asana project.